Everyone. Today we will do MCQs of chapter Plant Kingdom. Question number 1. Natural system of classification was given by A. Linnaeus, B. Whittaker, C. Bentham and Hooker, D. None of these. Linnaeus gave artificial system of classification. Whittaker gave five kingdom system of classification. Bentham and Hooker gave natural system of classification. So answer is C. Next, find the incorrect option. A. Cytotaxonomy is based on cytological information like chromosomal structure and behavior. It is correct statement. B. Phylogenetic system of classification is based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms is also correct. C. In artificial system of classification, Bentham and Hooker gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics. It is a wrong statement. Artificial system of classification was given by Linnaeus. So answer is C. Next, most advanced algae is. So most advanced algae is chlorophyceae, which is green algae. Next question. In which algae stored food is Floridian starch? In chlorophyceae, stored food is oil droplet. In Phaeophyceae, stored food is mannitol, which is also known as laminarian starch. And in Rhodophyceae, stored food is Floridian starch. So answer is C. Next, find the correct match. A. Chlamydomonas oogamy is wrong. In Chlamydomonas we have isogamy. Spirogyra isogamy is correct. Volvox isogamy is again wrong. In Volvox we have oogamy. Fucus anisogamy is again wrong. In Fucus we have oogamy. Next, find the correct option with respect to liverworts. A. Mercantia and Rixia both are dioecious. It is wrong statement. Mercantia is dioecious and Rixia is monoecious. B. Main plant body is gametophyte and sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. It is a correct statement. C. Rhizoids are multicellular and unbranched. So in liverworts, rhizoids are unicellular and unbranched, while in mosses, rhizoids are multicellular and branched. So it is a wrong statement. D. Main plant body is sporophyte and gametophyte is dependent on sporophyte is again a wrong statement. So correct statement is B. Next, which of the following is incorrect with respect to mosses? A. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation and budding in secondary proteinema. It is correct. B. Sex organs are produced at the apex of leafy shoots. It is again correct statement. C. Sporophyte is less elaborate than that in liverworts. It is wrong. So sporophyte of mosses is more elaborate than that in liverworts. Next, Funaria is member of moss. It is correct. And other members along with Funaria are Sphagnum, which is also known as peat moss, and Polytrichum. So these three are member of mosses. So they asked for incorrect statement. Incorrect statement is C. Next, cone-shaped sporophylls are present in Selaginella, Psilotum, Equisetum. So cone-shaped sporophylls are present in Selaginella and Equisetum. So answer is D. Next, find the correct match. A. Microphylls, ferns. No, microphylls are present in Selaginella. Macrophylls, Selaginella is wrong. Macrophylls are present in ferns. Heterosporous Salvinia is correct. Homosporous Selaginella is incorrect. In pteridophyte, almost all the members are homosporous except Salvinia and Selaginella. These are heterosporous. So along with Salvinia we have Selaginella. So correct match is C. Next, which is correct statement? A. Pinus is monoecious and Cycas is dioecious. It is a correct statement. B. Pinus is dioecious and Cycas is monoecious. Wrong. C. Both Pinus and Cycas are monoecious is again wrong. D. Both Pinus and Cycas are dioecious is wrong. So correct is A. Next, find the incorrect match. A. Branched stems, Pinus, correct. Branched stems are present in Pinus and Cedrus. Unbranched stems are present in Cycas and not Cedrus. Coralloid roots, Cycas, correct. Mycorrhiza in Pinus, correct. So incorrect is B. Next, Netum, Ephedra and Welwitschia are advanced gymnosperms because A. Ovule is enclosed by ovary. B. Water is required for fertilization. C. Vessels of xylem and companion cells of phloem are present. D. Both A and C. So Netum, Ephedra and Welwitschia are advanced gymnosperms because vessels of xylem and companion cells of phloem are present. So answer is C. Next, find the correct option with respect to life cycle. A. Fucus haplontic is wrong. In Fucus we have diplontic life cycle. Ectocarpus haplodiplontic, correct. Spirogyra haplodiplontic, wrong. Spirogyra is haplontic. Bryophyta diplontic, again wrong. Bryophyta is haplodiplontic. So answer is B. Next, which of the following are known as amphibians of plant kingdom? Amphibians of plant kingdom are bryophytes. Next, find the odd one out. First, monoecious, Rixia, Mercantia, Pinus, Funaria. So all are monoecious except Mercantia. 2. Diplontic, gymnosperms, angiosperms, fucus, kelps. Kelps are haplodiplontic, so it is odd one. Heterosporous, Netum, Salvinia, Silotum. Silotum are homosporous. So answer is D. Last question, find the correct match. Chlamydomonas, moss, wrong. Chlamydomonas are algae. And which algae? They are green algae. Cycas, angiosperm, again wrong. Cycas is gymnosperm. Selaginella, pteridophyte, correct. Sphagnum, algae is again wrong. Sphagnum is included in Bryophyta. So correct statement is C. So we are done with questions of plant kingdom. Thanks for watching.